Every town, every community, every lineage carries a memory. Some of these memories are written in books. Others are passed down in day-to-day conversations between grandparents and their children. And then, there are memories you don't just hear. You feel them deep in your bones. Here in Ubulu-Uku, an ancient Igbo community, one of such memories begins in the ancient Bini kingdom. The ancient Bini kingdom was more than just a kingdom that received support and patronage from the Portuguese, and as such, it was a toast of all the communities around them. It was a heartbeat. The people renowned for their courage, their artistry, and their fierce devotion to survival. Centuries ago, precisely around the 1750s, some of these people left the heartbeat and journeyed to a distant kingdom known today as Ubulu-Uku Kingdom. They came as sculptors upon the invitation of a certain king of Ubulu-Uku Kingdom known as Obi Olise. And when they settled, they carried with them not only their bodies, but their spirit, their culture, and their way of life. This story is not distant to me. It is very close. My wife, Nwanneamaka, is part of the lineage. Her ancestors were among those who walked from Benin and chose to plant their roots here in Ubulu-Uku Kingdom. The story you are about to hear is one she has carefully gathered and documented. Stories whispered through generations, tied together by memory and pride. Imagine for a moment what that journey must have felt like. Walking into an unknown territory, leaving behind the city walls of Benin for the uncertainty of a new soil. The forest would have been dark, the kingdom new, yet welcoming, the river strong and restless, yet welcoming. When they arrived upon the invitation of Obi Olise, they did not just survive, they built, they shaped their land, they raised children who would carry on their family names and tradition. And today, in the voices, faces, and customs of Ubulu-Uku, their footsteps and footprints are ahead. This is the story of where we come from. It is a story of strength, of migration, of memory, and it's a story of Bini settlers who became part and parcel of Ubulu-Uku Kingdom.
Every human being living in this world migrated. Someone else, you know, some person ya ke chuko ke je mabo. Eze mu bia bia. Eze mu migrated. Ka sam eze mu migrated. Ka o do no na mo na iru om de mu na. O be ga no do mu obodo. Imagine 17th century. It wasn't a solid Bini. Only two of them.
What's happening with the student Bini? What about student Bini? Call no more your bolo. Or get more influence in the language.
I'll be again no. And one double. Now can the possibility of a Bini there is zero. It can't be with you. I will culture on Bini. I am married today. Now I do a program. I am no you final rights.
Yes.
Where you don't level.
Why?
I will move it. No more. But yes, let me use the same like that. When you but maybe don't use you on that. Was you? Was when I put you when I put the chicken upon you. That.
Afambo Nwanneamaka Onwordi. Because now no boy when from family is the family Onwordi made in Ubulu-Uku. Oyemuna no beni tata for my uncle Mr. Joseph Nwafo is the chief. That's my father's elder brother. So tata, I I chokai draw jojo basiani our origin and how I see migrated from Benin to Ubulu-Uku, right from Kendenta, Manugo Ekune, Benibia. At some point in my life, I don't know when I see Benibia when they wish him because I'm for Bologaza, nay boyo bolo, say for her, Nano, and then Macanen boyo bolo. Nadim boyo bolo, after Nadim bo honora isiche, honora Peter isiche. So, only man I wasn't now Bomoye Bini. Especially my husband, on a snap Bini Kaisi, because I didn't know. Mane, I know you come when you cook nice Binibia, but that's been very long time ago. I'm a Wodike Kowane, no Kaisi Binibia. So that's the main reason in the second Biakudo, my uncle. So that no Kowane Kaisi Binibia. Oye, the person like our forefathers in Benibia, then how we now grew into a large family like this.
You see, no, yeah, well, they got you now too. For the one who take us about this too. But when we do music, that Western Igbo do not cast it. But one can tell them when I have one, my child. Abe mesela gwoko shako na akwo o gaji mu na ai ibu na ka nwa bia nye ko ndi mu na da ato no be ba wa to je na Bini when family na Bini office na azogam afa road mana amam no na Oba Bini o mo ri area wa bu na Bini abu abi o ga to nye mmiri ya hu bi ta ta ni ndị mụ na-etụwa egiri ọgwa kpọkiri gidi ndị mụ na-etụwa ihe ya hụsị n'ọnụ ụzọ wee mebesị wee awụrụ onye wee tụsị nwa n'ọnụ ụzọ wee jiri ọnụ ụzọ ndị mụ na-etụwa atụsịzi awa Obi abịasị na anakọlewe then that was 17th century Obi Olise ben se de mai ben ba no cho na kwa na ben we nwa anisha we beauty we ije jo ma ije aba fa de one bia ben we nwa we ya mama o ba mo ben mo cheje mo nwa ka mo mama so a cheje na so amoni now, as it never know, many know we that. I'm the fourth place of origin. Need no do more do some usually do more than cargo buy buza when you want to buza.
So, Abu Beni Queb for this couple.
Not but yet, no, Delamajana.
Okay.
Dog will be. Ubesia, Ubini, Oji, what this one. Oba Obi, well, this one, well, Bini. So, only Bini, and then you say, I am Bini. Well, that's what that's okay. Make orchard. Once I'm not Bini, that's what I'm say to the bad government. Say, I believe. So that I'm one who are removable.
Okay.
Not what you want, Bini.
Okay. Okay, so I am one Bunye Bushana no Polo.
No. And you call the apple. What man have it? Only we do.
Okay.
It we do Bini in the other issue.
Sure.
It do issue. What work on corner?
Okay.
When you come, also then.
Because your man no kwa bone no obia aya ne
Orunaya, and when I had a secosy. You call the apple. Post the crap to post the daughter. In the shadow will beat at your weapon. The monarch.
Obedient no polo. Yeah, for a long time.
Oh, Biano, on the invitation. Kwadi kasi abiaga wana.
Okay.
Almost there.
Okay, so almost no Ubulu-Uku. I am on.
Yes, I this one.
Okay, I'm on there. And the Bulabe snatch when no Zandi Bini when na.
Ndi Bini bo. Ko well, I'm going to also ndi Bini na. I am ndi Bini bushaya. Never Adesuwa. When I have an anotary. Makifi. Nedele. No be. Then when I know actually. I would wear Kaya put my cover camera. I went to Quebec, she best I can do it. Young walk around.
Yes.
Makifi. Not on the carriage. Only more Johnny Jenny. Oh, no, be a young boy. Casual. Not only me. At a one whoever.
Yabune, you do more ni. Oh, Yabune, you do more. Only Jeff, Bia
family, no more shall there go.
Ndi no ni shonko.
Ndi no ni show. Nadi we diche.
Okay. Mana weni je.
Weni je ya je mo fu. Nko zo kan ko apo. Ewe wa ojo buku ekene ndi umuna ni show.
No.
Mana ni we zuzie. Makali je sonko no ni show.
Okay.
Ije ko ni je so abe ne kene ka no don do kene nya kene mo lo. Ya bo I will do a blow. Adesuwa. Amisha. I'm ready. Amisha Obi Olise. Obi Olise mo Amisha. One nalo. Amisha be ogo. Obi Olise be ogo. Obi Olise be ogo. Mu le mo aba. Adesuwa. Bini. Mana because I don't want to Bini be a donor Bini. Out of one. Well, you never hold it down in low data. In a webber, in Tambo, or all these things also body man. Relation Bini.
Because no, shall know where this one down with no, but an Misha.
Well, some will be
one. Nani cost a bono one jet, Jeboy, Baby Obolo. Bear, no man, wow,
yes, Obi.
Almost half Bini,
half Bini.
We remember not just history, but who we are. According to history scholars, Professor Nwanneamaka Onwordi and Professor Paul Opone, in the origins and migrations of Enuani people of South Central Nigeria reconsidered, during the second half of the 18th century, that is, during the famous Ubulu-Uku Bini War, Bini, Ugo, and Asian soldiers were dispatched to Ubulu-Uku to avenge the execution of Adesuwa by her husband, Obi Olise. These soldiers settled in Enuani, whom they failed to conquer. For as they said, it was better to lose their identity than to be executed by the indignant Oba. The descendants of these soldiers retained their identity at Idumuidu, Onije, and Onitsha quarters of Ubulu-Uku kingdom, as well as in Ubulu-Uku. This is the narrative according to Professor Nwanneamaka Onwordi and Dr. Paul Opone, both professors of history at the Delta State University, Abraka. Renowned history scholars and writers Emmanuel Ikem and Obi Anini, describing Umwije of Ubulu-Uku in 2006 publication titled Sociology of Ubulu-Uku, had this to say. Their progenitor is Ije, who migrated from Benin, so they are also called Umwidu. Ije was a Benin warrior who was born at Obowo. He was the grandson of Oba and Oba of Benin Kingdom. Ije was one of the warriors who led Benin troops to invade Ubulu-Uku over Adesuwa's execution in 1750. After the war, Ije settled at Ubulu-Uku, and Obi Olise gave him Amisha, one of his daughters, in marriage. The Ijes then went to settle at Ako. Ije's first son was Modi. He later died, and his children, 8 of them. Ije also gave birth to Nwaka and Chejina. The Nwakas and Chejines are well-known families in Ubulu-Uku today. Meanwhile, Ije's brothers in Benin got worried that they haven't seen their brother for a long time, so they came to Ubulu-Uku looking for him. They found him at Ako and went to settle at Isho. There are two Ijes at Ubulu, one at Isho and the other at Ako. It was Ije who was an Iwene who carved the palace doors at the palace. During Iwu festivals, the Ijes are absolved from several laws and duties.